food will be cold by the time you finish.
I'm like 6.
I like your pauses, you know?
Stop looking at the light.
Can't you blow your nose after a sneeze?
4.
4.
No, it's 5.
No,
No, that's 4.
I'm not gonna reach.
No, this wine is excellent, eh?
How do you say an elephant?
I'm not. It's Quintos.
Elefante.
Why? 6.
5.
5. Look, I love when his eyes go drowsy. Look.
I won't reach 8.
Yeah? Sure about that?
Well, you can tell. 6.
Stop!
Tu hai messo questo qua, una copa te. Ma avete stonudati?
Polish la boca la. Clean your mouth. That's good.
7.
Lucky number 7.
Siete, no more.
Oh, yeah.
Do you see on my eyelid? Is there like a white dot there?
Remember, I'm recording, so it picks
I don't
up on
know.
all conversation.
I think this one.
8.
Yeah. You see it?
11.
On your eyelid?
Yeah. Right on my
Ma
lid.
se ne faccio 11.
You
A
sure?
white dot.
No, like a
He doesn't
white,
really
like a.
Oh, yes, right there. Yeah,
What
yeah,
is
yeah,
it?
yeah. It's a cholesterol deposit. A fat deposit, they're called.
What do I do about that?
It's like a skin tag, a form of a skin
Oh,
tag, but it's not a tag.
9.
I won't.
Or is that 8?
I won't pass 8.
I won't pass 8.
That was 8, Lalio.
That was 9.
No matter God.
Lelio, can you please get the plates?
Ma. Oh no, what is he doing?
Mom, well, come on, man.
Shh, it's recording.
That's what I mean.
9.
9.
Lucky number.
10.
That was 10.
That was 10 or 9?
Kifa.
Why does this? Mary, get this fucking pepper away from me.
Hey, you're the one who puts it on your food.
Every sneeze is 3 glasses of wine.
So that's what?
Is this a
27.
comical family or what? Aren't you happy you belong to this family? What is he doing? He's taking out his teeth. He knows. No.
This is a JC.
What
Not
the
a...
fuck? Stifa.
Qualche cosa per malo.
Yeah, ma vattela a
Checking
fare
out my
un
dad's
gabinetto.
dentures. I stopped
Fai un
sneezing.
gabinetto, no?
Dai, dai.
Tu buona da vedere tutti sti denti?